जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
A very good morning to all of you. August 15 is a remarkable day in the history of India. Every year we celebrate this day with great zeal and enthusiasm. The future of a nation depends upon its students. Dear children, your commitment, dedication and perseverance towards life will decide the future of this nation. On behalf of the complete team of Dr. Viren Swaroop Senior Secondary School, I take this privilege to wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. Stay blessed and stay safe.
Future of the country depends upon its students, so our dedication and our commitment towards our life will determine the future of the India. So let us salute the nation and happy Independence Day.
हमारे लिए ये अत्यंत गौरव की बात है कि हमने इस देश की मिट्टी में जन्म लिया। सैकड़ों वर्षों की दास्ता से मुक्त स्वतंत्र भारत में सांस ली। हर वर्ष केवल स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना लेने से ही हमारे कर्तव्य की इतिश्री नहीं हो जाती। अपनी धरा शिरोमणि मातृभूमि की रक्षा और उन्नति अब हम सब का परम कर्तव्य है। तभी वास्तविक अर्थों में हम इसके वरदानों को प्राप्त करने के अधिकारी होंगे। धन्यवाद।
It's our duty to preserve the freedom we got. It's our responsibility to hand over a better India to upcoming generation. Let us work together to make it a happier country. Happy Independence Day!
Let me begin by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day, that is the 74th. India is a country of various caste, religion, culture and traditions. We are a country of unity in diversity. Independence Day brings all Indians, irrespective of their caste, culture, creed, together. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
दो अपने खून से जमी पर लकीर इस तरफ आन पाए न रावण कोई। तोड़ दो हाथ अगर हाथ उठने लगे छूने पाए न सीता का दामन कोई। राम तुम हो तुम ही लक्ष्मण साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
My heart beats with pride to see the colors of Independence Day spreading happiness and joy all around. May the glory of this day be with you forever. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August as we got freedom from the British rule. And we should not forget that getting freedom was not an easy task. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day again and pray that we can celebrate Independence Day every year with great zeal and enthusiasm.
Let's salute our great nation on its Independence Day. I hope you all feel grateful for the freedom we have and proud on the nation we were born to. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Hello, my dear students. On this auspicious occasion, let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud to be a part of India. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
The most memorable day in our Indian history, that is 15th August, our Independence Day. So, on behalf of Team VSSS, I Gautam Das wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Always stay blessed and happy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Life without liberty is like a body without spirit. Freedom is never given, it is always won. Happy Independence to every Indian. Always be very proud to be an Indian and always be very honest towards your country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat and happy Independence to everyone.
Freedom does not come so easily. We are all indebted to our national heroes who made this country what it is today. As patriotic citizens, let's put extra effort into performing our own civic responsibility. Let us be mindful of everything we can do for our nation to make it a place of wealth, peace and happiness. Wishing you all a very happy and safe Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Freedom in minds, faith in words, pride in our hearts, and memories in our souls. Let's salute this nation on this Independence Day. United we stand and divided we fall. So let's stand together and fight against this pandemic. Let's pray for our country's well-being and hope that this year comes with more flying color. Happy Independence Day and Jai Hind.
मानस भवन में आर्यजन जिनकी उतारे आरती, भगवान सारे विश्व में गूंजे हमारी भारती, गूंजे हमारी भारती। आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हृदयांगम से शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Hi children, our country is going to celebrate its 74th Independence Day on this August 15. I hope you all are matured enough to understand the inner beauty and sweetness of this occasion. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Stay safe.
Good morning everyone. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. May this Independence Day bring a lot of success and fortune for every one of us. May our country prosper to great heights. Enjoy your Independence Day. Jai Hind.
A very happy Independence Day to you all. As we all know that India got freedom on this day, 15th August 1947. But in year 2020, our country and most of the countries are fighting with coronavirus pandemic COVID-19 and many cases has risen. But I feel that it is the responsibility of every citizen of the country to make our country pride, rise and strong in all aspects. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Happy Independence Day you all. Today we are celebrating our 74th Independence Day. Independence is a precious gift of God. Those who won our independence believe liberty to be the secret of happiness and courage to be the secret of liberty. May we always remain independent. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आप सभी को 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं और इस संबंध में कुछ पंक्तियां कहना चाहता हूं। गूंज रहा दुनिया में भारत का नगाड़ा, गूंज रहा दुनिया में भारत का नगाड़ा, चमक रहा आसमां में देश का सितारा। आजादी के दिन आओ मिलकर करें दुआ कि बुलंदी के शिखर पर लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा, लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा। जय हिंद।
Hello everyone. India is a country of various custom, traditions and religion. Let us celebrate the Indian Independence Day by coming together, united against all odds as one big nation. Happy Independence Day to all.
Children, do you know what is 15 August? It is an important date for us because on this very date in the year 1947, we got independence from the British Empire. There is lot of hardship and sacrifices of the freedom fighters involved in this. So, value the freedom which you have got and inbuild the feeling of patriotism within yourselves so that you can enjoy this freedom in a right way. A very happy Independence Day to you all.
Hello children. Independence came to India after years of struggle and sacrifices. So let us value it and promise to make our nation a healthy and a prosperous one. Happy Independence Day to all of you.
Thousands of people laid down their lives so that we can celebrate this day today. Happy Independence Day to all of you.
Wish you all a very, very, very happy Independence Day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.
74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।